Agriculture is my life, and I think coming here I really understood that these people care about it as much as I do.
Agricultural and food business management students at the University of Minnesota learn to combine economics and business to make smart decisions in the complex world of food, agriculture, and natural resources.
The AFBM major is really a diverse group of options. I mean, you can do anything from personal farming to ag sales to finance. I think it's really just a major of endless opportunities.
This major prepares students to analyze markets, manage risk, and solve real business challenges for companies ranging from small businesses and local startups to global food and agricultural corporations.
One of the best parts about being here in the Twin Cities is there are numerous agricultural companies, and I think our professors are really good about helping us make connections with those industry professionals, not only in our classrooms, but for our future as well.
The program is jointly offered by CFANS and the Carlson School of Management, giving students access to faculty, courses, and professional networks in 2 outstanding colleges. We offer 3 CFANS and 5 Carlson focus areas. With just a few additional credits, one of your focus areas can easily become a minor.
I have 3 minors: marketing, agronomy, and supply chains, and all I had to do was take 1 or 2 extra classes just to get those because all the other classes were within my major already.
Graduates are prepared for impactful careers in everything from agribusiness and finance to food marketing and entrepreneurship, helping shape the future of how food moves from producers to consumers.
I want to use my knowledge in business, economy, and sustainability to not only better my farm, but help local farmers succeed as well.